Hello, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Today I've got a 32-foot J-Flight. This is a G2 by Jaco, available right now here at Auto Sales Unlimited. It's got lots of storage. It's got two giant tip outs. Let's check it out. I also have an older 1990 that is a Southwind available, made by Fleetwood, that's got really low miles. And it's a one owner. But let's check this thing out. It's got the awning that comes through. This is a twin door, and I really love this layout because it has, well, we'll get to it in a little bit. Got a queen up front, which is really kind of like this front bedroom. Has the doors that slide that way and this way for privacy. And this is a 2010. 2010, it comes with the owner's manual, bunch of cabinet space, of course your stereo system. This, a TV can be mounted on the back and it can swivel all the way around. So this is one slide out right here, and it has these, this is a brand new, check this out. So you have lighted cup holders. You've got, we could just kick out. Oh, that's the headrest. You do have, let me back up here. Check that out. You could definitely sleep in that. Got storage space in both sides of the couch. It's just one button that goes right back. Super nice couch. You do have a dining room area. You do have your refrigerator. And then you have your stove, range, and microwave. You've got your sink over here. This is really a nice layout. This one's wide open, which is really convenient. The bathroom here is really cool because it also acts as a mudroom. So you have a door that comes out so that you can enter that from the outside and use this as a mudroom as well, which is really nice. You got sink, tub, shower combo, really nice. So I really like that feature. Let's see, we're on a little bit of a tilt here. Let's see, we got bunks in the back. This is a tip out as well. You got storage space down below. You got bunks and stairs that come out. And of course, you got the rear window. This is really nice. And then you have the door that slides back for privacy as well. So it's kind of a two separate bedrooms. Got a giant living and dining room area, and then the front above, which is really super nice. So once again, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. This trailer is available right now here at Auto Sales Unlimited. Give us a call, 360-273-0711, or you can contact me directly, 360-523-8585, or put some comments down below and we'll go ahead and answer those questions as well. So thank you for watching my videos, and shoot us with any kind of questions that you got.